Okay, so moving on, we are moving on to Bobbi Brown products, and bear in mind that I've never used Bobbi Brown before in my life, and this was my first time, and I was actually pretty impressed with all the products that Bobbi Brown kind of has. And I bought their long wear even finish foundation SPF 15. I do like this foundation simply because it covers beautifully. It lasts up to about 4 to 5 hours. I mean, it does say somewhere that it lasts for about 12 hours, or at least that's what the essay told me, the sales associate told me at the store, but it does not. It lasts only for about 4 to 5 hours. The only thing I don't like about this product is that it has that lavender smell. I mean, I'm not used to products having much smell in them. Like my MAC foundation, which I absolutely adore, does not have a strong pungent smell, but this does. Now if you're someone who does not like smelly products, then this may not be for you, but you should actually kind of just close your nose and apply a foundation, because this foundation is pretty decent when it comes to covering up blemishes, dark circles, pigmentation, and it does a pretty decent job at kind of lasting for about 4 to 5 hours. And I mean, I think that depends more on what you're doing. If you are in an environment that has only AC, then it'll probably last for longer, but if you are someone who does a lot of running around, then probably like 4 to 5 hours, and you will need to kind of touch up in between for sure. Okay, the next product is the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick, and I bought this in this shade, which is golden pink. I mean, it's actually a very beautiful, but it's actually a pretty decent color, if you guys can see it. Why is it focusing now? Why is it focusing on my face? Yeah, that's the color, if you guys can make something out of it. It's a very good base by itself. Now if you're someone who doesn't want to spend much time doing eyeshadow, then just buy one of these and you can pop them on your lids and you are good to go. This lasts for about a few hours, but you will need to kind of rub in your fingers just to remove the crease line, because it is creamy, so it will like crease. Okay, so the next product is what is it, the product is called, is the corrector. Actually I forgot, is the corrector. I bought it in 2 shades. One is medium dark bisque and the other one is peach. Wait, open. Yeah, this is peach and this is medium dark. Right, you can see the difference. This is medium dark and this is peach. I do like this very much, because it conceals the heaviest of heavy under eye dark circles, like really good. And the next thing that I got was, of course, was their concealer in the shade Natural. Now this isn't very dark nor is it very light, so I can kind of cheat it on clients, you know, to kind of match their face. So I got it in Natural. Yes, it's a Natural for sure. So it is a very good combination, especially the corrector and the concealer. But you have to keep in mind that this concealer is only for under eyes. If you apply it on your face, you will be breaking out for sure. Rest assured, you will definitely break out if you apply this on your face. It is only an under eye concealer, so this is something that you have to keep in mind when you buy this concealer. Don't be like, oh, I bought a concealer, I can use it for my acne, for my pigmentation, for my under eyes. No, you cannot do that. You just have to use it only for your under eyes. Yeah, nasty, right? But it does a pretty good job, so it's okay. And the last product that I bought from Bobbi Brown is their Shimmer Brick, and this is in Nectar, which is this shade. Now this might be a little dark for some people, but I find this shade very pleasing on me. I mean, it gives me that nice glow, because I'm a big fan of pink products on my face and not peach or brown. I like pink, so I went for something like this and I like it. But the only reason, like I think I mentioned in my previous video, I use this very sparingly, simply because it is very expensive and I cannot afford to kind of just waste it on just, I don't know, I'm not gonna waste on, I just use it on special occasions, you know. So it's that special occasion, what is it called, highlighter, bronzer, whatever, shimmer brick, special occasion shimmer brick. So we're moving on to our last brand, and that is Makeup Forever. I am obsessed with their Aqua Cream eyeshadow base. I have them in a bunch of them. I did buy the entire set like over a year ago, a year and a half ago, and that definitely dried out because I think you have to kind of finish that within a year. And I tried the microwave method of kind of melting products, where you just pop it in the microwave and for about 30 seconds and it should melt and become creamy again, but it did not work for my Makeup Forever cream base. So I had to go and splurge all that money again and buy all of these, simply because I am in love with the Makeup Forever cream base. And you should definitely go and try that out. I kind of like this better than MAC Paint Pots. I'm sorry, but I like this better than MAC Paint Pots, simply because I think they're way creamier than MAC, and they last. But again, I can't be the best judge because I do not use many MAC eyeshadows or MAC Paint Pots. I just have like 1 or 2 MAC Paint Pots and maybe like 5 or 6 MAC eyeshadows. That's it. I'm not a big fan of MAC. I'm sorry. But I do like Makeup Forever eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes and the cream base and everything from Makeup Forever, except the foundation. I don't like the HD concealer. I like the MAC foundation. Yeah, I'm confused. The next product that I did pick up were their star powder, sorry. The star powder, I picked it up in silver and in bronze because this is very good. What I usually do is I apply the Aqua Cream and I apply this on top of it. It gives me that very good party eyeshadow effect, if that made sense. I don't know what a party eyeshadow effect means by definition, but if you're someone who likes to go out party and you like to wear eyeshadow, then I think you'll understand what I mean with the party eyeshadow effect. But these are like universal products. I sometimes do apply this in my inner tear duct just to give my eye that openy effect and just kind of brighten my face up, especially on days when I haven't like slept pretty well the previous night. Then I do definitely apply the star powder in my inner tear duct and it just brightens my face up. Okay, so I have 2 more products from Makeup Forever and I absolutely love their Kohl pencil. Yes, it's called Kohl pencil, and I think this is my 3rd or 4th pencil. I just love this, simply because this does not smudge, it does not smear. I mean, I just love it. I don't have to like keep going to the bathroom and worrying that I don't look like, I don't know, look beaten up or something. I don't want to look like that. So I love these eyeliner pencils from Makeup Forever. You should definitely buy one and try that for yourself, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. The last product is the glitter that I bought from Makeup Forever. Of late, I have been very fond of glitter. I did go and buy a lot from BH Cosmetics. You should go and check their glitter out. It is pretty neat. I haven't like tried them out, but when I did feel it, it felt really nice. It's not like that chunky glitter, not like super granulated, but it is somewhere in between, which does the job. And I also like the Makeup Forever glitter, and this isn't a must. I mean, if you are someone who likes glitter, then probably you can. Otherwise, you have like much cheaper alternatives like the BH Cosmetics that I just mentioned, right? Okay, so the last thing, and then I mean this is the last thing in the kit that I went and I bought, were the Huda lashes. Now I've heard a lot about these lashes and I bought this in Coco Jo, which looks like this. I haven't tried them out. I did try one of her lashes before. I'm not sure of the name, but that was pretty good, because like I think what she says is that her lashes are everyday natural glamour lashes or something like that. I don't think she said that exactly, but I think it meant that. And if that is what she meant, then I think it kind of does serve the purpose, because these lashes are absolutely gorgeous. They're about $60 or $70, something like that. And I know they are pricey, but I would definitely wear this only on special occasions and not like every day. simply because I don't want to go and like keep buying eyelashes like that often. But these lashes are pretty neat. I swear they are pretty neat. So with this, we're done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love filming this video just simply because I can like just go on rambling about all the products that I bought. And if you like my video, then do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channels. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I'll leave all the links below. Do keep your questions pouring in. I answer like almost all the questions which come on Facebook. I mean, so many people have asked me beauty and hair related questions on Facebook, and I am absolutely thrilled to kind of answer those questions. So do keep pouring those questions in, and do share my video and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so the next Bobbi Brown product is the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow base. I have the product, and it is the Makeup Forever you go fast. Go. Come say hi and go. Come put your head in the middle and go. Come put your head in the middle. Come, show your head. Come. I'm going to put all of it on.